So for every system design consists of very fundamental core components. Those I call as the pillars of the system design. Without those, no system can be established. So here are the pillars of any system design. So what are the core components, what we call as pillars of any system design? Starting from there is load balancer. So load balancer is nothing but a piece of hardware, or you can say a virtual hardware that acts like a reverse proxy to distribute network and or application traffic across different servers, right? So that's what we call like load balancer. And there is another component called a cache is a special storage space for temporary files that makes a device, browser or app to run faster and more efficiently. The third one is, would say, storage or data storage. Data storage refers to the use of recording media to retain data using computer or any other devices. The most prevalent forms of data storage are file storage, block storage, and object storage. There are also there is another storage, we'll talk about that later, with each being ideal for different purposes or different use cases. The fourth one, we say like it's API. So API, it stands for application programming interface, right? And API is a reliable way for two or more programs to cooperate each other. It allows programs to work together despite difference in hardware, language, architecture, or any other operation constraints. So the fifth one is message queue. It's a queue of messages sent between applications. It includes a sequence of work objects that are waiting to be processed. A message is the data transported between the sender and the receiver in two different ends, and it's essentially a byte array with some headers on top. And if you say some example of example of a message could be an event. And the last but not the least, there is a security. So the security, it's by design, is an approach to software and hardware development that seeks to make system as free of vulnerabilities. So security has to be all over the system when you are designing any of the system or any of the product. So that's very basic component for and very fundamental component for any system design. Let's